Hey guys, welcome back to the Auto Chapter. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated hypercars of our time, the 2026 Ferrari F80. Ferrari has always been synonymous with speed, style, and exclusivity, but the F80 pushes the limits even further, setting new benchmarks for design, performance, and technology. This car isn't just about going fast. It's about reimagining what a modern hypercar should be in an era of electrification and advanced aerodynamics, while still holding onto that iconic Ferrari soul that has captured the hearts of enthusiasts for generations. The exterior of the Ferrari F80 immediately strikes you as something from the future, yet unmistakably Ferrari. Its proportions are low, wide, and extremely aggressive, giving it an almost spaceship-like presence on the road. The design is heavily sculpted for aerodynamic efficiency, with every crease and contour serving a functional purpose. The front end is dominated by sleek laser-thin LED headlights that stretch into the body, flanking a large central grille and massive air intakes designed to feed the hungry twin-turbo V8 engine and cool the hybrid components. The hood sits low and wide, with sharp lines running toward the windshield, creating a menacing and athletic stance. Along the sides, you'll notice deep air channels carved into the body, directing airflow to the rear while also showcasing Ferrari's mastery of carbon fiber craftsmanship. The doors are lightweight and upward swinging, giving the car not only a futuristic touch, but also improved entry and exit in tight spaces. Moving toward the back, the design gets even bolder. The rear wing is fully active, capable of adjusting angles on the fly for maximum downforce or reduced drag, depending on the driving mode. A massive diffuser, sculpted rear vents, and quad titanium exhaust tips integrated seamlessly into the bumper highlight Ferrari's obsession with performance-driven design. The rear taillights pay tribute to Ferrari's heritage with a circular design, but are reimagined with modern LED technology. Every angle of the F80 looks like it belongs on a racetrack, but at the same time, it maintains the kind of elegance that only Ferrari can achieve. Performance is where the Ferrari F80 truly shines and separates itself from almost everything else in the automotive world. Powering this hypercar is a newly developed twin-turbocharged V8 engine, paired with a cutting-edge hybrid system that combines electric motors with Ferrari's traditional combustion technology. The result is a staggering combined output of nearly 1,200 horsepower, making the F80 one of the most powerful production Ferraris ever built. This immense power launches the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, a feat once thought impossible outside of purpose-built drag cars. Top speed pushes beyond 250 miles per hour, placing it firmly among the fastest road-legal cars ever produced. The hybrid system is not just about adding more power, it also provides instant torque at lower revs, ensuring lightning-fast acceleration and improved response in corners. Ferrari has equipped the F80 with an advanced all-wheel drive system, seamlessly distributing power to maximize grip, while the new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission delivers gear changes so quick they're almost imperceptible. The chassis is built from lightweight carbon fiber reinforced composites, striking a balance between rigidity and low weight, giving the car unmatched handling precision. Adaptive suspension constantly monitors the road and adjusts settings in real time, while Ferrari's advanced electronic stability and traction systems allow drivers to push the car close to its limits without compromising safety. Active aerodynamics further enhance performance, adjusting the front splitter, rear wing, and underbody panels to provide optimal balance between downforce and efficiency, depending on speed and driving conditions. The F80 is not just a straight-line missile. It's also a track weapon, engineered to dominate corners and deliver the most thrilling driving experience Ferrari has ever created. Stepping inside the Ferrari F80, you immediately realize this is no ordinary car. The interior has been designed with a fighter jet-like cockpit feel, putting the driver at the center of everything. Ferrari has opted for a minimalistic yet high-tech approach, with every element serving a purpose. The steering wheel is a work of art, featuring integrated controls for driving modes, suspension settings, and even turn signals, allowing the driver to keep their hands firmly on the wheel at all times. Behind it, a fully digital instrument cluster displays critical information in stunning clarity, customizable for road, track, or hybrid performance data. The dashboard flows seamlessly with a futuristic design, using a combination of carbon fiber, Alcantara, and premium Italian leather, creating a balance of performance materials and luxurious craftsmanship. The seats are carbon fiber racing buckets wrapped in Alcantara, designed to keep the driver and passenger secure during extreme maneuvers while still offering surprising comfort for longer drives. Ferrari has integrated a next-generation infotainment system, complete with high-resolution displays, smartphone connectivity, navigation, and advanced telemetry features that allow drivers to track lap times, G-forces, and performance stats in real time. The interior lighting can be adjusted for different moods, enhancing the futuristic atmosphere of the cabin. Despite being a hypercar, Ferrari hasn't ignored luxury. Subtle touches of fine stitching, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable interior options remind you that this car is as much about exclusivity and craftsmanship as it is about raw performance. Now let's talk about the price, because the Ferrari F80 isn't just a car, it's a statement of wealth, exclusivity, and passion. Ferrari plans to keep production numbers extremely limited, with less than 1,000 units expected worldwide. This ensures that the F80 will be not only a hypercar, but also a rare collector's piece destined to appreciate in value over time. The starting price is estimated at around $2.8 million. But with Ferrari's extensive customization program, clients can easily push that figure much higher depending on their preferences. Buyers will have the opportunity to choose from bespoke paint finishes, tailor-made interiors, and even unique performance options, making each F80 a truly one-of-a-kind masterpiece. With its limited numbers, groundbreaking technology, and iconic Ferrari pedigree, owning an F80 is about far more than just driving. It's about becoming part of automotive history. The 2026 Ferrari F80 represents the pinnacle of what Ferrari can achieve when blending performance, design, and exclusivity. It captures the essence of Ferrari's heritage while pushing boldly into the future with hybrid technology and advanced aerodynamics. With its breathtaking looks, unmatched performance figures, race-inspired yet luxurious interior, and a price tag that reflects its rarity, the F80 is not just another hypercar. It's a glimpse into the future of speed. Ferrari has once again proven why they sit at the very top of the automotive world, creating a machine that stirs emotion, demands respect, and delivers thrills beyond imagination. Thank you for watching this detailed review of the 2026 Ferrari F80. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more of the latest performance and luxury cars, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts about the F80 in the comments below. I'll catch you next time with another incredible machine. See you in the next video.